I'm John Brandt. I'm a Networking and Security Technical Adoption Manager at VMware. I've been here about 2 years, and before that, I was a customer. This is my first year on the HOL lab team. I'm so glad to be here. This is the most fun. It's great. I'm talking about the NSX Fundamentals Lab. NSX Fundamentals, right? NSX is a wide-ranging product. Some people are a little nervous to dip their toe into software-defined networking. We give you a nice safe space, padded walls. You go flip those knobs and pull those levers, and now you look good to your boss when you go, look, this is how easy this is. This is absolutely the place you want to start to learn how this works and how it's going to benefit you and your environment. I mean, we find, VI admins, folks that are running the virtual infrastructure today, a whole lot of network and security folks. Those are the folks who really need to understand how this is going to work before you can roll it out wide to your organization. The labs evolve over time, right? As new versions come out, the GUI changes, or maybe we add some functionality. A lot of this fundamental stuff, it remains relatively constant from version to version. This is stuff we all need to know for NSX to be successful. As far as constant improvements, we're never done, right? Like, we can show you the best we can, this thing or that thing, but in the end, there's always something more. You get smarter every time you do it, and sometimes now you can get to that little extra nugget that we added for you. But you don't have to eat it at once, right? You eat an elephant one bite at a time. It's fine. If you're even thinking NSX, you're gonna really wanna start here. There's no better way to get into it, put it on like a warm sweater than this, right? Learning can be a prickly process, but when you have a nice lab and they're gonna walk you through some stuff, it makes life a lot easier. You're not alone. There's a huge amount of people that went into this lab to make it as easily digestible for you as possible. So this is where you start. It's easy.